Hello, students. Let's begin our social science class. Myself, Sunena Singh, your social science teacher. Today I am going to explain NCRT Economics chapter, The Story of Village Palampur. Today's contents: Farming in Palampur. The subtopic under this heading: Land is fixed, and is there a way one can grow more from the same land? And one more topic: Will the land sustain? Now, farming activity in Palampur. Land is fixed. Farming is the main production activity in Palampur. 75% of the people who are working are dependent on farming for their livelihood. Land are under cultivation is practically fixed. The standard unit of measuring land is hectare, but it is also called in local units such as biga and guntha, etc. So all these important word utilized by me to make you prepare one mark question. 1 hectare equals the area of a square with one side measuring 100 meter. So this is the definition of 1 hectare equals the area of a square with one side measuring 100 meter. Is there a way one can grow more from a same piece of land? Yes, let's see. The way one can grow more on a same piece of land are there were two ways. One, multiple cropping, and modern farming. Now let's talk about multiple cropping. By the picture, you can understand on a same piece of land, two crops are grown. One seems like a vegetable, or another is wheat. So let's discuss feature of multiple cropping. To grow more than one crop on a piece of land during the year is known as multiple cropping. This is definition. Now we are going to discuss through example. For example, Palampur would resemble a village of the western part of the state of Uttar Pradesh. Feature of multiple farming during the rainy season, Kharif, which is also known as Kharif, farmers grow jowar bajra used as cattle feed. It is followed by cultivation of potato between October to December. Please remember all these feature important point for learning and writing in the way the multiple cropping carried out in Palampur in which manner. Rainy season, also known as kharif crops, it is associated with monsoon, so the crops grown in this season need more water. So the Palampur in kharif season grow jowar and bajra, which is used for cattle feed as well as the coarse grain for human being also. And after this they grow the potato, which is in only 1.5 months, that is October to December, and then followed by in winter season, which is known as Rabi crop. Fields are sown with wheat. So how many crops you have seen? Jowar bajra, coarse grain, then potato, and then wheat. So on a same piece of land in a year, they grow three crops: kharif, and then zayad, which is in October and December, and then rabi, that is wheat. Fine. From the wheat produce, farmers keep enough for the family consumption and sell the surplus wheat to the market at Raiganj. This is how they utilize and keep money for future. Then all farmers in Palampur grow at least two main crops. Many are growing potato as the third crop. So this system is known as multiple cropping. Now we are going to see the different crops grown in Palampur, and the other way is modern farming method through which one can grow more from a same piece of land. What is this modern farming? The Green Revolution in the late 1960s introduced the Indian farmers to cultivation of wheat and rice using high yield variety of seeds known as HYV seeds. only two crop consider first wheat and then rice. In which year? 1960. These seeds promise to produce much greater amount of grain on a single plant. After utilizing green revolution or the HYV seeds, one can grow more production on a same piece of land, as these HYV seeds promise to produce much greater amount of the grain. Farmers of Punjab, Haryana, and Western UP were the first to try out the modern farming method. This is the 1 mark question. Then, in these regions, they set up to well for irrigation, made use of HYV seeds, chemical fertilizers, and pesticides in farming. Some of them bought farm machinery like tractors and thresher, which made plowing and harvesting faster. They were rewarded with high yield of wheat. Use of modern farming through HYV seed, chemical fertilizer, pesticide, along with the machinery, need more and more money, and people ultimately dependent on the factory production. So the poor farmer cannot afford all these sort of thing. So answer, is there a way one can grow more from a same piece of land? Yes. Illustration of multiple farming with its definition and example of Palampur, Rabi, Kharif, and Jahaj season crop, and the modern farming, and the points which is discussed under modern farming use what kind of tools to increase or enhance the production activity. These all pictures shows the way a farmer can grow more on a same piece of land through modern farming: pump set, electricity, dam, pesticide, fertilizer, farm machinery, diesel, canals for irrigation, all modern farming methods. Conclusion: with the use of modern farming and multiple farming in Palampur, the yield of wheat grow from the traditional varieties was 1300 kg per hectare. With HYV seeds, the yield went up 3200 kg per hectare. There was a large increase in the production of wheat that can be sold by the farmers in the market. Here, the comparison between modern farming and traditional farming output: the people carried out the traditional farming. That time, from same piece of land, they obtain only 1300 kg per hectare grains. After utilizing modern farming, the farmers on a same piece of land now obtain 3200 per hectare grain. So this is the conclusion. The farmer, those who are using modern farming, they are getting more and more output. Benefits of electricity in village Palampur. The main reason why farmers are able to grow three different crops in a year in Palampur is due to well developed system of irrigation. Earlier, farmers used Persian wheel for irrigation to draw water from the wells and then irrigate small fields. Still, some very remote area of our country, the farmers, those who are not able to afford tube well water, use Persian wheel. And Persian wheel is a kind of old pattern to draw water from the well through the bull. They are taking round to the well, and wheel is rotate, and bucket move down to the well and then come out, and that water drain to the fields. This is very laborsome and a very tedious job, but due to the electricity, most of the farmer get water through the tube well, underground boring or other system. So electricity beneficial to the Palampur village people, those who are involved in farming as well as in small industrial work. People saw that the electric run tube wells could irrigate much larger area of land more effectively. Of course, traditional farming, feature of traditional farming: till mid 1960s, seeds used in cultivation were traditional ones with relatively low yield. Means when the farmers use traditional seeds, the output is less. Yield is measured as crop produced on a given piece of land during a single season. This is the definition of yield. Traditional seeds needed less irrigation. Farmer used cow dung and natural manure and fertilizers. They did not have to buy these inputs for farming. So these all are the feature of traditional seeds. Now, after utilizing of modern farming practice, HYV seed, continuous irrigation to the field, fertilizer, insecticide, etc., will the land sustain? Talk about this. Scientific reports indicate that the modern farming method have overused the natural resources base. First drawback of green revolution. Green revolution is associated with the loss of soil fertility due to increased use of chemical fertilizers. This is the second drawback of green revolution. Then continuous use of groundwater for tube well irrigation has reduced the water table below the ground. Third, fourth, environmental resources like soil, fertility, and groundwater are built up over many years, was destroyed. It is very difficult to restore them. So all these point consider as drawback of the green revolution. Now, the question related to the topic, what are the different ways of increasing production on the same piece of land? Explain with example. What you need to do, this is 5 mark question. You are going to explain multiple cropping along with the Palampur example, what kind of crop they are grown, and the modern farming, the way farmers utilizing things to get more production. So both at least three point must be there in multiple cropping as well as in modern farming. So altogether 5 mark question. How did the spread of electricity help farmers in Palampur? This is 1 mark question. Whatever help they are getting through electricity, for example, run tube wells, provide irrigation and get more production. This is the benefit of Palampur farmers. Fine, that's all for today. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.